Hello, muraho neza. My name is Barnabe. Nongeye kuba ikaze mu ishuri ryacu aho tugiye kuvuga mu rugo. We are going to talk about your home. We are going to talk about your home. Iyo bavuze home, home ni mu rugo. Home. This is home mu rugo. Now, at home we find a lot of things. We find a lot of materials and some of them are listed here. Now, when we say bedroom, bed ni uburiri. Hanyuma wongeyeho room bikaba icyumba. Yavuze bedroom naho rero uryama cyangwa se icyumba uryamamo. Kitchen ni igikoni aho utekera. Bathroom ni ubwogero cyangwa se aho wogera cyangwa se abari mu tuwarete sometime but it's called bathroom. Hanyuma window ni idirishya. Idirishya. Roof ni igisenge. Roof igisenge cy'inzu yako, it is called roof. Wall ni igikuta. Wall. Chair ni intebe. Intebe zirambicaraho. Table bikaba ameza. So this is all the materials or the object that we find at home. Now let us go on these questions. How many rooms are in your house? How many? Iyo bakoresheje how many baba bakubaza umubare. Umubare. How many rooms? Rooms nabwiye ko ari ibyumba. How many rooms are in your house? House ni inzu turimo. Now, how many rooms are in your house? Harimo ibyumba bingahe mu nzu yawe? Ushobora ngo there are five rooms. There are 5 rooms in my house. There are 5 rooms in my house. Very fantastic. Now, do you have electricity at home? Do you have no kugira electricity na amashanyarazi. Do you have electricity at your home? Ese ufite amashanyarazi mu rugo? Ukavuga ngo yes I do cyangwa se ukavuga ngo yes I have electricity. I have electricity at home. Very fantastic. I have electricity at home. Now, where do you live? Ese ubundi utuye mu rugo ni hehe? Where bayikoresha barabaza ibibazo twarabyize ubushize. Where do you live? Ese utuye verb to live ivuga gutura. Where do you live? You can say I live in Kayonza. Ntuye i Kayonza cyangwa se I live in Kigali. I live in America. I live somewhere. I live any place. Now, do you have a kitchen and bathroom? Do you have? Ese ufite verb to have ivuga kugira ikintu runaka. I have a marker. I have a microphone. I have what and what. So when you say, do you have a kitchen and bathroom? Do you have a kitchen and bathroom? You can say, yes, I have. Yes, I have a kitchen. Yes, I have a kitchen and bathroom. And bathroom. Yego mfite igikoni ndetse naho kogera. Kitchen igikoni, bathroom naho wogera. Now, don't forget to like our video, you subscribe, even you share, and I can also tell you that we are teaching English every day. If you want to study with us, please text us in this phone number and then we learn English together. So share this video, like, support us, and then if you missed most of the videos, just check in the description. You will find many links and then you follow all our lessons. Thank you very much. Bye bye.